What's up guys, it is FlameTamer here and welcome back to another video where today I have the TNT fireworks Rain of Color. And yeah, this thing looks pretty neat. And right off the bat, the first time that I ever saw this in the assortment that I got this in, this is the first firework that I looked at and I was like, this looks really cool. Even though there are no videos on YouTube anywhere, there is no performance, but for some reason, this really stood out to me, and it's also really light. So for some reason, I just feel like this is going to be awesome. Don't ask me why, but you are about to find out if I am correct. I hope I am, but I'm sure it'll be good, whatever it does. Jeez. Whoa. That's not the biggest box in the world. No, it's super light.